Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can edit player's number in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. So for this you need to go inside game plan after you open eFootball, and from inside game plan at the left corner you're going to see your team's logo. So my team is Manchester United, that's why it's showing me my Manchester United's logo. I will click on that, but you need to click on your team's logo. From over here you can see the option called edit squad number. Click on edit squad number. Then it's going to show you all the player that is in your team. So you want to choose the player whose number you want to change. So I want to change the number of Celso Avila, the first one. I click on him and then I can choose whichever number I want to put into him. After I choose the number which I want to put in him, I can click on done at the bottom and his number will be changed just like this. As you guys can see, now it displays 321. So that is how we guys can edit players' number in eFootball. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and if you guys have any question, ask us in the comments.